Alright, so this is lab 2, the measurement and uncertainty. So I have my scale, and I've already labeled the cups 1 and 2, and I have everything else out ready for the activities 2 and 3. But for activity 1, so we're going to turn on the scale and tare it. It's already at 0. Okay, so this is cup 1. So it has 9.78. So we're going to add that here. So we're going to take it off. Okay, and we're going to re-tare. 9.74. Take it off. 9.74 again. Let's take it off. Tare it again. 9.76. Let's take it off. Tare it again. And 9.76 again. Alright, so now we're going to repeat the process for the second cup. Okay. Sorry if you hear that, that's my dog playing with the toy. Okay, so the second cup is 10.05. Let's tare it again. 10.04. 10.06. 10.04. 10.05. Alright, so now we have the measurements for these two. So we're going to do the calculations. And okay, so let's find the average. Okay, so the first one, we have 5 measurements. So the average for the first cup is 9.76. That is rounding, so that we keep the 3 significant figures. Now for the second cup. So the second one is 10.05. Again, that's rounding, so that we keep 4 significant figures for that one. So now to find the deviation, we're going to go 0.02. Alright, and so let's do again find our average deviation. So for the first cup, our average deviation is negative 0.01, and for our second one, actually has a very small, so that when if we were to round, we would not have it. We would be rounding on a 3, but it's negative 0.003, so almost no deviation, or almost no average deviation, which is good. And so now as we continue activity 1, so we've determined the average mass of each cup, and we've determined the average deviation from the average, so the uncertainty. As we go to the second activity, we're going to turn on the scale and stabilize and tare it to 0. Okay. So we're going to place the 10 milliliter graduated cylinder on the balance and record the mass. So it is 9.69. And then we're going to add about 7 milliliters. Oops. Let's do this here. I'm pouring it back in here because I'm not drinking out of this. Okay, perfect. So we now have 7 milliliters. Okay, and so let's see. If you were to say it's on the high side, you could say it's 7.1, I guess. And to say low would be at 7, because it definitely is at 7, if not a little bit above. So it's actually probably 7.2. Okay. So if we said the average volume was 7.1, and our uncertainty level was 0.1 milliliters, and our mass with the water is 16.76. And so if we did 16.76 minus 9.69, that gives us 7.07 grams of the water. Okay. Okay, that's 8 minutes.